In this video, you will learn about no, none, neither, nobody, no one, and nothing. This video is a part of pronouns. As learned earlier, pronouns are words used to replace nouns. For example, he, she, it, we, and they. Negative pronouns are used to talk about an absence of people or things. No, none, neither, nobody, no one, and nothing are negative pronouns. Depending on their use in a sentence, the correct word needs to be used. No is used only with nouns. For example, there's no butter left. Or, no dogs are allowed here. None is used for people, ideas, and things. For example, none of the children cried on the ride. Or, none of the mangoes were ripe. Nobody and no one are used when talking about people. For example, nobody was on the streets. Or, they saw a ghost at the old house, so no one went near it. Use nothing for non-living things. For example, there is nothing in my pockets. Or, she tried to squeeze out some toothpaste, but nothing came out. Now you know how to use negative pronouns.